Okay, yeah. So today I'm getting my hair done. So I want my makeup to be cute because I know my stylist gonna want to take pictures of me. She don't want to take pictures of me, so I gotta be cute. Can't get caught lucky. So even though I know I like the eyebrow pencils, my eyebrow pencils are running low. So just like the last tutorial, the 5 tutorial that you all love so very much, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Ebony. And I'm gonna use that to dry my brows on. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna take my angle brush by Real Technique. Yeah, I know the drill because I did this in my last tutorial. This one right here. And I'm gonna take a spoolie and I'm just gonna brush out my brows because they do need to be tamed, honey. So do y'all think I talk country? Because I've been getting a lot of people in my comments saying they love my southern accent and all that. But it's so crazy because I don't think I talk country. But I noticed that a lot of people from out of town say that. Or like when I go up north and see my people up north, they be like, you so country. Like, to me, I don't talk country though. I mean, that's just how I talk. That's just how I talk, baby. So I usually use toffee when I'm doing these, but right now I'm using medium beige because I'm out of toffee. It's pretty light for my skin, but I'm gonna mix it with a darker concealer, so don't be alarmed. I don't know what it is about this LA Pro Girl concealer, but I just feel like the lighter the shade is, the thinner the consistency is. Like, and the darker the shade is, the thicker the consistency is. It's like with all my light shades, they seem so thin, the consistency, I don't know. But it made me not want to use the lighter shades. I love LA Pro Girl concealer, don't get me wrong, but I think I'm just gonna start using the darker shades like toffee, I don't know, because these lighter shades, the consistency be like really thin and it be like that every light shade that I have, so I know I'm not tripping. Yeah, see, it's so light, but I am finna go in and moisturize my face. Hold on, I'm finna prime my eyes first. I'm gonna prime my eyes with toffee because I do got a little toffee left that I can, you know, at least pop some on my lids. I might not have anything to clean, you know, to clean up my brows, but I can go pop some of these little bit that I got on my lids. So before I blend it out, I'm gonna let it just sit for a minute while I moisturize my face, because I washed my face this morning and I have yet to moisturize it. So I'm gonna moisturize my face and I'm gonna prime my face. So I'm just moisturizing my face with some Cetaphil. I think I did these on previous tutorials. Y'all know the vibes. And besides, y'all, like, it's the winter time and I got oily skin in certain places. It's still the winter time, so it's cold outside and the cold air will dry your skin out, especially under this makeup. So we stay moisturized all fall, all winter, 2019, 2020, because we not finna have no dry patches nowhere. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a little bit of Milk of Magnesia. I'm only gonna put a little bit of that, I promise, just a little bit. Like, just a little bit. I don't want too much. Blend this out, and this is it for, you know, Milk of Magnesia. That's it. No more. This is enough, okay? I'm also gonna spray my face with some of this rose water, just for hydration and life, and thankful for life today. So now I'm just gonna blend this concealer out. So I'm finna go ahead and dry my wing. So now I'm going into my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 365. Then I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques brush. This is the Instapot face brush, and I'm just gonna blend it out. First, I'm gonna go in with this, right? And this is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Deep Sand. Now I'm gonna take my Real Techniques Beauty Blender and I'm gonna blend it out. So I'm gonna go in with this medium beige that I used for my eyebrows at first, and I'm gonna lighten it up, which is why I went in with the dark color first, so that this won't be too bright. But we definitely gotta lighten it up. Sorry. This step isn't necessary, you don't have to do it. You don't have to do this step, it's just, I need that extra light. To contour, I'm gonna be taking this dark to deep contour palette. I'm gonna take this middle shade right here, and I'm gonna use this contour. And that's how she wrote. Murder She Wrote. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my dewy finish. Just wanna glow a little bit because I haven't been into highlighters. So I just wanna glow, you know, so. Okay. I had put some Carmex on earlier. For lips, I'm going in with the NYX lip pencil in Espresso. My lips are real small, so I've been into overlining my lips to make them look more full. I'm gonna go into this Maybelline New York 05 Loyalist, and it's like this pretty new pink, and I'm gonna tap that in the center. I think I'm gonna leave my lips matte today. So that's my pretty look for today. I guess I'll pull my hair down, but even though I'm getting my hair done today, I guess I'll pull it down, you know, so I can look like something real quick before I go. So I'll be back.